Ajuda orang lain gitu.
Ya, saya kan tahu apa.
Test your skills of writing. We prefer those of you that can write in English.
halkan waxaan u joognay baryahan dufcaddii labaad oo ciidanka booliiska oon tababarayna baryahan in qoraalkeeda la sameeyo la diiwaangeliyo tiim oo amisom ka socda ayaana la shaqaynayay oo qaybo badan iskugu jira marka hadda maanta gabagabadii maraysaa insha allah haddii ilaahay yidhaah waxaan rajaynaynaa in ciidankaas inuu qayb libax ka qaato nabadgelyada guud ahaan Soomaaliya gaar ahaan gobolkan Bay.
Basically, we are here for vetting, selection, and screen of new recruits that will join the police for Baidua. We started on Saturday, and today is Thursday. The process is still on. This is phase 2 of the vetting. We have so far done phase 1. They were trained and they have passed out. The intention is to have phase 3, phase 2, phase 3, that is of 200. So we have come to do phase 2 to select 200 candidates as well for training very soon. So far, we have screened about 218. Out of the 218, we have about 22 females. We are hoping to get more females because in an environment like this, you need females that will take care of children, that will search other women if there is that will take care of women even in need.